Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to type dollar sign in your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video, and in this tutorial you can learn how to type dollar sign in your laptop or PC. So at first you need to press on shift key, then also press 4. Then you can see dollar sign already typed. Press shift, also press 4, then dollar sign already typed. I'll show you on my on-screen keyboard. I open my on-screen keyboard, then I just press shift, then press 4. Shift, press shift, also press 4. Then you can see dollar sign already typed. So guys, in this way you can type dollar sign on your PC or laptop very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.